All right, we are going to talk about a perfect hard-boiled egg. So I have an even layer on the bottom of my pan. You don't want to overcrowd your pan, so for this size saucepan that I have, 7 eggs would definitely be the max, because you want to make sure that the water can circulate all the way around the eggs. There's a couple tricks, and basically what we want to do is cover the eggs with cold water and then set them on the stove. Bring that to a boil, and as soon as it boils, which it just did, you turn off your heat and then cover your pot, and we'll let this sit about 10 minutes. This is how we kind of prevent overcooking, and there we go. Overcooking results in that kind of greenish grayish yolk versus a nice bright yellow. And to assist in being able to peel them really well, I'm getting an ice bath started, which just means a bunch of ice cubes in a bowl with a little bit of water. And as soon as that 10 minutes is up, I will gently lay my eggs into that ice bath. And I let them sit for just a few minutes because the shell will come off easier when they're still a little bit warm. A lot of people swear by adding baking soda or vinegar to the water, and that is for the reason to help with peeling them nicely. I usually skip that step and just make sure that I use my ice bath. So we will come back after 10 minutes and get them in the ice bath, and you can see how much easier it is to peel that way. And then we'll cut them open and see how our yolks look. All right, so 10 minutes is up in the pot, and you can see that my eggs, once they went in, they started to melt the ice right away, but they are still just a little bit warm. So I'm gonna dry them off and see how they peel for us. I always try and kind of find that little spot where that air bubble is and tap. If you kind of gently tap around the egg, you can all of a sudden feel where that spot might be. And then these pieces should come off really nicely for us once we get it started at least. So to me, the white feels perfect because when I squeeze it, it has a little bit of a give. Nice clean slice and a perfectly yellow yolk. So this is great because when you make your deviled eggs, or if you want to slice this over, a salad, you have that beautiful color versus that grayish or greenish. And then it also will make for a very pretty deviled egg. All right, hope this helped you guys. Enjoy.